Yo guys, Jonathan here. I'm not sure if it's the iPad Pro, the fact that the Peter McKinnon collab is happening, or the fact that D-Rose did them all dirty and dropped 50 points last night. A new career high. I am a grown man, and I'm not ashamed to admit, I teared up. It was beautiful. So with that, I am excited, and specifically that iPad Pro. And if you're a fan of tech, this is why you should be excited as well. So getting a chance to attend the event, I will hands down say this was the most energetic Apple event I have ever seen, like of all time. Tim Cook was straight up like Jim Carrey in Yes Man after all those Red Bulls excited. It was to the point where when Apple was just about to debut the new Mac Mini, I was about to scream, and I am never that person. And as excited as I was about the Mac Mini, when Apple dropped that iPad Pro, you could kind of feel the collective jaws of that entire room dropping. There are so many Jim Carrey references. But seriously, when Apple dropped that promo, it was insane. I've said it before, and I'll say it again, Apple is really freaking good at making product videos, and this iPad Pro video might have topped them all. Seeing those lack of bezels, the thinness, the design, that Apple Pencil going and sticking right on that iPad is all awesome. And as cool as all of that is, what is more exciting is what's inside that A12X Bionic. Apple was up there doing their thing, 35% faster this, 90% faster that. And then today, some alleged benchmarks hit the dark streets of the interwebs, and oh my God, are you kidding me? Allegedly in Geekbench 4, the iPad Pro has a single core score of over 5,000 and a multi-core score of over 18,000. I got people tweeting me saying, holy crap, that is faster than my PC. So I guess that comment of saying, I could build a PC for that price is not gonna hold up that much longer. Slamming the brakes real quick because I realize LTT and the PC Master Race is already in the KRP. Bars. Absolutely, 100% yes. I realize the A12X Bionic and the x86 platform are two completely different architectures, but it doesn't negate the fact that we should absolutely be excited about the future. So architecture or platform aside, the fact that there is this much power and tech packed inside this iPad Pro is bananas. The A12X Bionic is a literal beast, like scarier than the Sandlot, even though he turned out to be adorable. That aside though, you have 8 cores, 4 high power cores paired with 4 high efficiency cores, and then a 7, count them, 7 core GPU. Tim Cook just out-bookered Booker T. For real though, Apple is claiming Xbox One S class graphics, which mind you, it's big, it's bulky, it's thick, with more C's than there are cores in the GPU of the iPad Pro. You gotta plug it into a wall, you have this big ass fan, and Apple is doing something in this thin that's battery powered?
We playing chess, okay? The whole league is playing checkers, but we out here playing chess.
The pencil and everything that was dumb about it is now gone. Like you used to have to charge it and stick it in awkwardly. Now it just attaches magnetically, it charges wirelessly. So all in all, I'm not sure if there's really anything to complain about with this iPad Pro. One thing that did kind of cross my mind though is with the inclusion of USB-C and the omission of lightning and a headphone jack is there are really good lightning wired headphones, but there's not really any good wired USB-C headphones. So hopefully one, that changes that. And two, yeah, I realize Apple wants us to be wireless, they want us to use AirPods, but I think we definitely need a better over or at least on-ear solution. So hopefully with this, that kind of jumpstarts everything. Aside from that though, I've talked about it, I'm going to keep talking about it. What a time to be alive as far as tech goes. Not only Apple, but just everything in general. The month of Techtober has clearly ended, but it is not stopping, and we are train rolling right into November. So stay tuned for iPad Pro coverage, Mac Mini coverage. Definitely feel free to subscribe if you haven't yet for those full videos, the unboxings, the reviews, the tests, the benchmarks, the insanity. Also, if you guys missed it, I did a fun Q&A talking about how I do my hair, that I was wrong about something pretty important. Again, thank you guys for being amazing. This is Jonathan, and I will catch you guys later. Probably tomorrow. Just relax, Vector. It's just Thanos' hand.